Close your eyes and imagine this: a baby sitting on the floor, giggling as they stretch their chubby fingers toward a canvas. On the canvas, a colorful animal staring back, a vibrant lion with a mane of swirling oranges and yellows, a gentle elephant outlined in soft blues, or maybe even a playful penguin with splashes of black and white as if it's ready to waddle off the page. Sounds magical, doesn't it? Painting animals for babies might seem like a whimsical idea, but it's quickly becoming an inspiring way to blend art, creativity, and early childhood development. Let's dive into why these delightful creations bring so much joy, not just to babies, but to everyone around them. First, let's talk about the visuals. Babies are drawn to bright colors. Their tiny, curious minds thrive on bold contrasts and lively shapes. Artists who paint animals for babies know this well. They use rich palettes to bring these creatures to life. It's not just about realism, it's about imagination. A purple giraffe with sparkly stars along its neck? Why not? A rainbow-striped zebra trotting across a swirl of clouds? The options are endless, and that's half the magic. These painted animals aren't just decorations, they're companions. For babies, their world is small but endlessly fascinating, and the art they grow up with can feel almost like a friend. Look closely, and you'll see how babies interact with these images. They smile, point, babble, maybe even try to touch the elephant's trunk or the penguin's wing. It's more than observation, it's engagement, and that engagement helps their motor skills, creativity, and cognitive growth blossom. But here's the best part. These paintings don't just live on paper or canvas. Some artists are taking the idea further, crafting murals, wooden puzzles, and even hand-painted toys. Imagine a nursery wall lined with colorful safari animals, each designed to spark imagination and nurture connection. Or delicate wooden blocks with miniature lions, hippos, and flamingos, hand-painted to add a touch of charm and whimsy. Of course, there's another layer to this story: the artists themselves. For many, painting animals for babies isn't just a craft, it's a way of spreading joy. Using their brushes and imagination, they create art that celebrates innocence, exploration, and the beauty of nature, an artistic gift to the next generation. So next time you see a baby's room adorned with painted animals, a panda dancing among bamboo leaves, or a playful fox curled amid golden fall hues, remember, it's not just art. It's a gateway to wonder, joy, and those first magical moments of discovery. Because when babies dream, their animal friends are right there by their side, bright and alive.